Hey, what's up? So it's late night, and yeah, I didn't bring a knife. So I actually am. Hey, what's up, y'all? So I want to take some of Casey bath toys apart. I want to take this apart, this apart, and this one. So I let them sit in water for a couple of days, and then I let them air dry. So we're gonna see if they have any mold. Let's start off with this one. Okay, can I do some more this way? But let's cut it open. Hmm. Excuse me. There's nothing really here. The octopus. Hmm. Open. It's mold in there. Y'all see that? Mold. So I'm gonna technically take this one apart. Rust. Ooh. I just thought this was gonna be easy. Mm. Say no, Cinder. We're not gonna make it easy for you. So, can y'all see that? That's rust. I mean, I can tell just by looking at this that there's rust in here. I mean, rust is rust in this on this pole piece right here, and then there's mold completely inside of the what this is the needle. Girl, you is not strong. Stop pointing. Hold on, wait. I'm up. Whew. They don't want to crack in half, y'all. I'm sweating. I'll take pictures so y'all can see it a little bit better. But after a while, I want to say bath toys should be trashed. And you know what? Kayson got all of this for his birthday one year. His godmother bought him this, and I think I bought him this way. He probably was in his months when I bought it. But I really didn't let him use them all the time. But like I told you, I let these set in water for a couple of days, and then I actually took them out, let them air dry, and this is what I got. Oh, and this stuff came out of that toy. And this was in it too. See how rusted? The what is this called? The spring is. And this is the what is this? The crab. The crab don't really have nothing in it. It's like just gooey on the inside. Let me see if I wipe it.